Hi everyone, and today we're gonna be playing some Darkest Hours. I recorded a Darkest Hours gameplay like a few hours ago, but that was like terrible, and like I got like the worst luck imaginable. So I better get like better luck this time, because I had no clip farming potential. There's nothing. So hopefully I get it this round, or at least something interesting happens. Also, if I sound a little weird, it's because of my retainers. They're pretty gross, not gonna lie. Alright, now we just wait. But first, where's the freak? I gotta slander this disgusting creature. Look how gross she is. This disgusting creature. I hate her. Frick Siren.
Always slander Siren. Can you put some Siren slander in the comments? Like make fun of her. Yeah, see, look at it.
Look how stupid she looks.
I just had to slander her every Darkest Hours video I make. That's the rule now. Until she gets new voice lines, I will not stop slandering her until she gets
new voice lines.
So I don't get moaning
in my ear while I'm playing the game.
No. Don't put on captions. I don't. Oh, no, it's King and Fawadi. Oh, we're screwed. Alright. I don't know what to do for King. Maybe just spam these items. But for Wadi, I just gotta be careful and loop him around. Watch the easiest Darkest Hours entities video and you'll know what I mean. No, poor guy. I'll save you. I'm not wasting my coil though. No. Stop. He died. It's like that time where I kept getting downed and never revived. I'm so sorry. Oh, and Gundog, or whatever his name is here. I gotta go downstairs. There's like a lot of dead. Oh no. If only I had a stunning item. Okay, he's getting revived. Oh, he's sound based. I thought he was like deaf. Okay, run. Ow. King. Why is King in here? Oh, no. Go. No, and I'm back where I was. Alright, save some stamina a bit. He found me. No. Oh, I'm dodging and weaving. Oh, I'm so tough, chat. I'm so tough. Okay, the round just ended. And we did good. We survived this time. Oh, blackout? Okay. UG, help me. You're like the goat of. Oh no. Go, run. No, stupid props. There's a whole lot of train in the tunnel. Oh, so that means the hitbox warrior himself and oh no, the hitbox warrior. Speaking of the hitbox warrior. Go. And Telefragger's here. I'm running. killer's son, stop. Okay, I revived, thankfully. Sorry if I'm going silent sometimes, and I'm gonna die. I feel like Telefragger is worse in Darkest Hours more than Nullscape. Happy Train is like the funniest killer in the entire roster. Because he's literally just a train and he just rams you over. It's insane to me. And then there's this little guy who's in the train. Wait, I can't see your smile. Are you really a happy train? Yeah, you are a happy train. It's a great smile. Remember, guys, to always smile like that and be happy. If there better not be like a billion entities in there. Because if there is, then I'm gonna punch Captain Spinks. Metaphorically, not physically, like metaphorically, you know. No, stop. Of course, the rebels have to be the most OP people of all time. I guess we gotta try grocery store. I felt like Darkest Hours players would pick like easy maps or medium maps. But no, they choose like the hardest maps. Grocery store isn't that bad, but it's still a hard map. And there's no hiding spots here. Alright, let's hope we cook in this. The electronics. I love my electronics. I'm playing on electronic right now. Oh, I got the bat. Yes. This is the best item in the game. I don't care what nobody said. No, go away. Get the big M. And the big S. Yeah, come here, streamer. He dodged that? He dodged it? He dodged my... what? No, you're not dodging anything. Take that. That's what you get for dodging my metal bat. He did that once to me, and now he did it again. I guess he can dodge stun items, I think. How dare you do that to him? Take that, you chud. I hate chuds like you. Oh, I don't. Yeah, come after me, chud. Oh. Wait, watch. I'm literally gonna have a clip chat. And he missed. He's a lot easier now. Oh. Yeah, come get me, you baka. Oh, he missed again. I'm low key. He missed again. Stop missing. Oh. No, his hitbox got me. Munchie is like the hitbox warrior. We already saw the hitbox warrior, but Angry Munchie's the true hitbox warrior. Cause she's just producing hitboxes and like she's one-shotting people. She doesn't need that much hitboxes, but she wants that much hitboxes. This is key. He saw me? Ow. I'm gonna parry you this time. Look, it's ultra kill. Oh my goodness, it's ultra kill. Oh ho ho ho. Ultra kill, ultra kill, ultra kill. I never played ultra kill. I'm LARPing ultra kill. Oh, and I got a riot. Oh no, no, stop. It's the stamina wasters themselves. Okay. I like these guys, but they're hard to deal with. Alright, I'll save you. I won't save you. That was my bad. I never heard of these Slendy Tubbies until now. I'm genuinely such a chud. Yeah, the Cleave and Clave are pretty fun. I think. Oh, you chud. Look at you. They're so fat. Look how fat he is. He ate too many Teletubbies. Oh!
Where are you going?
Oh, W dodge. No, I wasted. Oh my goodness. I wasted my riot shield on Lana. Stunned individual. I gotta stay like a chud all day. No! Stop it. This isn't ill. Oh. He just like threw his knife all the way. Alright, W 2017 Avatar. I see you.
You stupid
Wait. Oh, I can't dodge that. Come over here, you chud. Fight me like the Slendy Tubby you are.
Where are you going?
This Tubby is pretty Slendy. Wait, let me test my luck. I have Dolly, my goat, my other goat. This is my real goat. Dolly. I want her plushie really bad. I was gonna choose Badware. Oh. Eyeless on capture. Okay. We might be cooked, but Dolly might clutch for us. Fawadi too? Alright, let's hope. He's right there. Sniper. No, I'm not gonna snipe.
Where are you going?
Oh, okay, good to know. Yeah, run into a wall like a little idiot, thank you. I'm scared. Okay. Haha. I missed. The gun didn't click again. I'm scared, Steve. Get away. Oh, and I died from that. I didn't pay attention to my health. Help me. Why are they all running? Stop running. Do they not understand eyeless mechanic? Alright, we're good. The only way to stun this dude is to like sneak attack him. I'm quitting YouTube for an entire year. I'm running, go. Okay, alright. If I can get at least one stun on him, then I'll be happy. Eyeless, come here. I missed again. Yes, I stunned him. Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy. I don't care if I die. I think. I only have like one gun. I'll use it on Fawadi because like he's not that fast. I have to test my luck though. Alright, where's Fawadi?
Tung 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 sahur, ta 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 sahur, din 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 my
Shut your fuck.
Alright, that was a pretty good round. I like that round. Alright, let's go. Eyeless? No, Eye Master. I keep mistaking their names. Oh, it's the fat Chad founder. He listens to Dax on the daily.
Hi, yes, I'm using text-to-speech again. Let me know when you want more gameplay videos. Some parts in this video we're out of sync, and it was kinda hard to edit. Since I have to record with 2 devices and my family kept coming in the room, so I had to pause my phone recording multiple times, and now it's out of sync. And plus there was supposed to be more for this video, but the other 2 rounds were hard to sync, the recording and the gameplay. So this is all you guys will get. Unfortunately, maybe I'll edit those in the future, I don't know. And sorry if I kept spamming the same sound effects. I just didn't wanna download more since I have a lot of storage already. But thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was kinda bad. Like and subscribe, join my Discord, follow me on TikTok. God loves you a ton, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!